That was one heck of a situation in there. Oh my God. So Nick's waiting on a copy of his title. It's straight up savage out here. Feeling super nervous. I can't find the border. And there's border patrol everywhere with masks on four-wheelers, and it's scary. Feeling crazy right now. Oh my gosh.
Starting route to Mexican consulate in Austin.
We're headed to the Mexican consulate. We found out that we could try to get our temporary vehicle permit ID, which is what we need to drive in Mexico legally. I guess you need it to cross the border. But we found out that we could get it in Austin ahead of time instead of trying to do it at the border. So we're gonna try to do that and have everything we need to get into and cross the border. So we're headed to talk to some Mexican officials.
First of all, guys, good morning. Good morning, guys.
Good morning.
Turn left onto Stratford Drive.
Our friend Nick is driving all the way from Riceville Beach on the East Coast, all the way to Nuevo Laredo, to meet us and cross the border with us.
Why are you screaming? So we're gonna try to get this stuff done and then head 5 hours south to Nuevo Laredo to a rest stop where I have dropped a pin for Nick, and we're gonna try to meet him there tonight, and we are so excited.
Yeehaw! Big bump.
Oh boy.
Big bump. Oh, big bump. Oh. Straight up denied.
No, we just need more stuff.
We gotta print out a couple more things, even with all the research.
So much research.
Even with all the research, there's still things that we don't have.
Easy. Damon and Beck did not talk about this, you guys. The heck, guys?
Alright guys, so we successfully got our vehicle permit, so we can literally cruise through the border, get our passports stamped, and I don't know, they'll probably go through the van, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, they'll probably go through the van and make sure we don't have drugs and probably shave my hair off, and we'll just cruise on through, and then we still have to wait for Nick because he has stuff to do at the border. So he's not gonna cruise through, but we're gonna cruise through, and we'll be there waiting for him. So yeah, Nick is in Houston right now, and we're gonna drive 3 hours
To the border to meet him.
to the border to meet him.
Phew!
Echo. Let's do it. We're ready for Mexico, dude. Oh my God. We're officially going to Mexico, you guys. This has been like such a long coming thing for like a year. Like a year, dude. We're there, dude. Oh my gosh. So legit right now. We made it to the Laredo. We made it to the oh my goodness. Nuevo Laredo. We have made it to the Nuevo Laredo Welcome Center. So we are 11 miles from the border right now. And luckily, the Welcome Center let me hook up to a water spigot, so we have full water tank right now, and we will be at the border by 7:30 a.m. So our friend Nick is in San Antonio, and he will be here in about 2.5 hours. So we are so stoked. We have been waiting, honestly, for this moment. Figured those trucks were a little noisy out there. We have been looking forward to this moment for nearly a year now, and it feels so incredible to be 11 miles from the border right now. And I absolutely cannot wait to surf. Oh my God, dude. It is actually happening. And I'm just so stoked right now. Amanda's out here doing yoga, and whew, we'll see you guys at the border, dude. Oh my God. BB is really getting into the Mexico experience right now, dude. Vegan chorizo. It is lit.
Warmed up the tortillas a little bit.
Dude, freaking Nick made it, dude! No way! Oh my god! What? Dude, what? Yo! Oh my god! Dude, are you kidding me? Dude, what?
What's up?
Oh my god, that's okay, me too, dude.
Yeah.
Oh my god. Alright guys, so Nick has safely made it all the way to Laredo, Texas, and we are at the Welcome Center. And we're about to go to bed and wake up at the butt crack dawn and go to the border and cross that border. So good night, and we'll see you there. All right, what is up, guys? Good morning.
Good morning.
So another storm came last night and brought in some like 25-mile-an-hour winds, but it brought the cold with it. So
It's like 50 degrees though.
it's
like,
literally 50 degrees right
pretty
now.
cold. Way colder than I ever expected it would be at the Texas border.
Yeah, definitely. But yeah, we are 10 miles away from the Mexican border, and we are getting ready to make our drive down there. It's about, what time is it right now? 6:30?
Probably 6:40ish.
It's like 6:40 in the morning, and the moment of truth is here. And I'm stoked.
What's the moment of truth?
Crossing the border.
Why is it the moment of
Because I've been waiting for this for quite a long time. And it's finally here.
That doesn't mean it's the moment of truth. It
Okay.
just means it's the moment you've been waiting for.
But yeah, having us some coffee, sipping on some bean, sipping on that crack juice.
Trying to get the van so that there's nothing that's gonna go flying and kill us.
Yeah, the roads are questionable from
They've been questionable in Texas, so
Yeah.
I can only imagine.
Texas highways are no joke. Dude, it's so windy. Oh my god. Yo, what up?
Yeah, I just ran to the bathroom.
Oh, nice. Are you ready to go, or how you feeling?
Yeah, I'm ready.
Okay, cool. Let's freaking do it. Oh, I guess we're not gonna exchange money because we're feeling like it's unnecessary.
Okay, yeah.
All right, let's send it to the border, dog.
Alright.
You have anything to say for the vlog? You're on the vlog right now, dude.
Oh gosh. I'm not on the toilet right now.
All right, dude. Well, we'll see you in a minute. Man, drove all the way from Wrightsville Beach, dude.
North Kakalaki.
And we're here. We're almost to Mexico, and it's like 45 degrees.
My armpits are still sweating. I don't get it. It must be the nerves.
Yeah. Feeling a little nervous. Feeling a little crazy. A little crazy.
This is gonna be Mexico.
Look at this guy.
Oh, yeah.
The pressure's on right now. Feeling super nervous.
Just because we can't find the border.
We can't find the border, and there's border patrol everywhere with masks on four-wheelers, and it's scary.
Masks and four-wheelers?
Yeah, I
Where
saw a
did you see
guy.
that?
I saw a guy.
Holy
I saw a guy. Feeling crazy right now. Oh my gosh. All right, guys. So we got waved over to the side where everybody is entering, and I think they have to inspect the van because it's so big. So we were feeling like super confused, but I think that's what's going on. So we'll keep you guys posted. We'll see what happens.
Look at this guy.
Dude, gnarly. All right, so we got a little inspection. They went through the cabinets and stuff, and we're good to go. So I think we're gonna enter Mexico now. So you.
Are those cars? All those cars. It's like clicked my seat. To find the banjo seat cover. There's car permits left. Careful, there's a car.
They have a stop sign.
Okay, they didn't even check our tourist cards or anything.
Yeah.
They didn't give two frigs.
That was one heck of a situation in there, dude. Oh my gosh. Me and Amanda are golden. We're good. The van's good. We're in here, dude. We're in Mexico. But Nick, on the other hand, has a different story. Nick.
Gonna get deported over here.
Yeah.
I'm just gonna roll back up to the United States and they're gonna be like, nah, you did it wrong, dude. Sorry.
Thanks for you, boy.
Guess.
So Nick's waiting on a copy of his title.
No, his birth certificate.
Or his birth certificate from his dad.
To prove that you were born.
To prove that he was born. It's straight up savage out here. So hopefully once he gets that, we'll be good to go. And we'll be on the way to Sayulita to freaking shroud some waves. Thirsters. Hopefully he got what he needed. Not looking good? No?
So bad.
No way. Oh my gosh.
So, I'm gonna need original copies for this freaking thing.
Oh
Which are both back in North Carolina.
Oh crap.
So the problem is with the vehicle, like I can go into Mexico, but I just can't take the Subaru, which is a huge problem
Okay.
because I don't have a birth certificate saying that I'm a son, my dad, or the title, which really no one has in their car.
Yeah. Okay, so update on our situation. Nick's dad is overnighting the car title to him to Laredo, UPS store in Laredo. So Nick has to go back over the border to Laredo and wait until 10 a.m. tomorrow for his car title to get there. Then he can come back over the border, go back inside this building, and show them that his father is his father and that he owns his car. And then Nick's going to sign it and meet up with us. So we are going to drive towards Sayulita. We're parting ways with Nick until he gets his title, and it's absolutely insane. So
Accurate.
okay. We're almost to the spot and it's looking heavy.
Dude on a horse. Something about
Alright, we're about to freaking off-road super heavy right now. Bet you didn't know this was the Rock Crawler Edition Sprinter. Couple amigos down here, dude.
I hope they're friendly amigos.
Those are Mexico ones.
I guess we hit the spot now.
These dudes are like, what the frig are they doing?
Riley sees that perro and he's like, yo, who are you? Oh my goodness gracious.
Holy crap. It's chilly.
Yeah, it's gonna be a cold one. It's gonna be a cold
It's
one.
a little bit chilly. We're gonna scope out the spot, dude. There's a bunch of stray dogs running around.
Yeah, I know.
Out here next to a freaking river that looks like it's out of a postcard.
The river looks beautiful. The dogs, I'm scared of.
Dude, it's freaking savage out here. The little town we went through right before here. Guy on the horse, guy pushing the popcorn cart.
I mean, they were chilling though. They weren't
chilling.
like legless and showing us their poop bag.
Yeah. Oh my god, I honestly can't believe we just drove somewhere like this. Look at this, dude.
Oh, look at the Wow.
What up, doggies? Oh my gosh! What up, dog? What up, dog? Hola, perro. Hola, perro.
Dog.
Dude, that is a good dog.
Good dog.
Oh my god. Heavy day of driving and doing crazy Mexico stuff, dude. Oh my god.
Hitting speed bumps at 60 miles per hour.
Yes. Definitely hit some unmarked speed bumps today on the highway, because that makes sense. And that was terrifying, but
That's why you don't drive at night in Mexico.
yeah, true. Yes. Our spot is so quiet. I'm like not used to it being this quiet.
It's so quiet.
Yeah. So stoked to have made it this far. And yeah, our view all around us is crazy rocks and this river, and it's like unreal. Absolutely unreal. But yeah, made it into Mexico. Nick's not too far behind us. His title should be coming tomorrow at 11 a.m. And he will be meeting us probably here. Yeah, hopefully he can get here by himself, which is absolutely crazy. But that's kind of just how it had to work. And mad props to Nick for being super tough. Dude, holy crap. Mexico's really gnarly. Alright guys, we made it to freaking Mexico. We'll see you guys at the beach when we're scoring freaking tubes, dog. Subscribe, and we'll see you guys in the next video in a few days. You.